guys, welcome back to a new extreme clean with me realistic mom life cleaning motivation video. Here I share what it looks like to clean my home on a daily. Like, this is kind of my everyday cleaning. We make such big messes in our home. Everything is so busy. If you are new, my name is rosielynn. I am a mom to 3 little girls. I have a 5-year-old, a 4-year-old, and a 2-year-old. And so it gets so busy in this home and just big messes, but big memories as well. So I'm going to be sharing just some cleaning motivation just to get you up and get you moving with those repetitive tasks that can be sometimes challenging because they are so repetitive, but we're going to get that motivation in today's video to get up and get it done. So hit that subscribe button if you are new. I'd love to have you join my little community here on YouTube. You guys uplift me to always keep going. So let's get started. So high, so high. Heading over to my stove, we're going to be using Dawn Power Wash and a scrubby, and we're going to give it a really good scrub. How are you guys doing today? Are you enjoying your Friday? The weekend's ahead, which is really exciting. We're in a June gloom here in California. It's been really gloomy. There's been hardly any sunshine, so I kind of just want to skip summer and go straight to fall at this point. But how is it where you live? Are you enjoying the weather? Are you getting ready for summer? We're finally on summer break. The kids are home and it's really different in our routine. So more messes than normal, but that means more cleaning videos to make, which is exciting. So let me know what you guys are up to. I'd love to hear what you're doing or what your plans are for this summer. Are you going on a trip? Do you have any vacations? Like, what are you looking forward to this weekend or this summer? I would love to know. So let me know. But moving on to these trays, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I love to soak these in hot boiling water with 2 dishwasher pods. I learned this a long time ago from cleaning expert Vanessa Amaro. She's phenomenal. She teaches you really good tips and tricks on cleaning and things like that. So if you aren't following her, you have to check her out. She's amazing. And she always says, amazing. You'll know if you know. So share this sweet little plant. It's a house plant my girls surprised me with the other day. They came home from Home Depot with their dad and they surprised me with it, and it just makes me so happy. I have plants all around my home and they just bring me so much joy in my house because, I'm always home. So I feel like when I have more house plants, it's just so nice to the environment and I just love it. So this is a new one. I've never had this one before, so I'm really thrilled about it. It's super pretty. And next, moving on to the sink, I'm going to be using the Power Paste by Scrub Daddy, and it comes with a Scrub Mommy that you can use. I absolutely love it. It works really well on porcelain sinks. This is an older sink and it gets really stained very quickly, and so this really helps kind of lift those stains and kind of brings it back to life. So if you're looking for a product for something like that, this is definitely one I would recommend. It's really, really good. Not sponsored, I just use it and consume that product and I really like it. So let's get into your car and go driving towards another town. I pick up things that I know need to get picked up and put away. I'm gonna vacuum the crumbs that are on the floor, and I couldn't believe this. I found this apple and I was like appalled. So I'm gonna clean up here and do what I can to get it in order.
Issues, problems with trust. You were the problem, to you I was dust. I could smell trouble from miles away, but now I'm different, yeah, I'm okay. You had your reasons, you did your best, but the one you needed was someone else. I sat there waiting for you to change, then I realized you're not the one for me. I wanted space, you wanted trouble. You hurt me once, the pain was double. Though you were more than just a hit and run, I should have known that you were not the one. You broke my heart to a million pieces. I've dried my tears, but I want you to know I'm not the one that you thought you needed. I faced my fears and you're not the
one. Now that the laundry is folded, I'm going to be putting away the clothes. I have been contemplating putting this back as a playroom and putting all the girls in one room again. I can't decide what to do. I thought I would ask you guys to hear your opinions. So it's like Artsy is 5, so she's like old enough to sleep in here. Cleo sleeps in here. She goes back and forth, and DJ sleeps in her room, but it's like toys still are ending up everywhere, and I feel like it would just be easier to have all the toys in one space, figuring because they all come in here and play, or like Artsy will go in DJ's room and play. So it's like, it feels like it would just be easier to have a sleep room and then a play room, and then I could get like a storage space in there, like a tall bookcase storage type thing where I could put like their arts and crafts, get them like a table, put the TV in there, things like that. But I just want to hear like from your perspective, like what do you guys think? Do you think it would be more beneficial to just have one room devoted to just like the playroom, arts and crafts, and then one room for them to just sleep? My girls still walk to our bed in the middle of the night. DJ does pretty well. She sleeps through the night all by herself. She's such a big girl. But Cleo and Artsy still wake up. They walk to our bed, and I'm just like, man, if they're already doing that, and I just feel like they don't really come in here too often, I don't know. I keep going back and forth. So what do you guys think? Do you think it would be worth it to make one room a playroom and then this room just a sleep room? Or do you guys think like I should leave it like this, keep DJ, in her room with her baby toys, well, just 2, and then keep my other ones in here? What do you think? I just want to pick your brain about it. I would love your advice. Let me know. And let's finish cleaning. I couldn't believe all the stuff that was behind this cabinet of Artsy's. It's just a toothbrush, guys. Look, a toothbrush. Crazy. Crazy.
I've never really been the one who's worried. always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. 'Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. About myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I do come from. Was asking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. 'Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. That's my choice, what I need to be free. Still thinking how real love should feel, when I know that it's not about you, just me. Cause I was made to be free. I was made to be free. Cause I was made to be free.
future is lying ahead of us. 'Cause I want you, need your hair right on my shoulder. Please stay, just stay for now. Even if it hurts with time, we were never meant to find something at the finish line. Stay, stay, stay. Even if we're short on time, at least we'll never wonder why this love was so hard. If something at the finish line. Even if it hurts with time, we were never meant to find something at the finish line. Stay, stay, stay. Even if we're short on time, at least we'll never wonder why this love was so hard to find. Stay, stay, stay. I'll stay, stay, I'll stay, at least for now. 'Cause I want you, need your hair right on my shoulder. Please stay, just stay for now. Even if it hurts with time.
Thank you guys so much if you made it this far to today's video. I hope it gave you all that cleaning motivation that you needed to get up and get something done that you've been putting off. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you soon in a new one. Bye!
Hurts with time, we were never meant to find something at the finish line.